What's going on, family? Welcome to the Mobile, Montgomery, Huntsville, Birmingham real estate investor and realtor group. This group is all about helping real estate investors and realtors level up in the space surrounding real estate and real estate investing. We're sharing information, we're sharing deals, partnering on deals, getting information about investing, all the different strategies that come with real estate investing. Whether it's wholesale and fix and flip, apartment syndication, joint ventures, partnerships, mobile home investing, self storage, all these different facets of real estate investing that are out there. But helping people, give them a community where they can network, do deals, and create an ecosystem that can support the real estate in these cities. I'm bullish on Alabama. I'm buying single family and multifamily in all four of the major cities, and some of the surrounding areas as well too. And just thankful to be able to be in a position to kind of pour into people. Make sure you get the copy. I'm giving everybody a free copy of my book, Millionaire Real Estate Success Strategies, What They Forgot to Teach You in School. You can get it on Amazon, but you can download the PDF, get that for free. Make sure you follow me on YouTube, Real Estate Investing with Johnny Lynum. Kind of see my story, the deals that we're doing in Panama City and across the state of Alabama, to just continue to grow and then pour that into you guys. And then we'll be having some live events across the state as I come through, with visiting updates and with the portfolio and things like that, whereas that we can have in-person events and just continue to kind of curate a community of like-minded investors that's doing deals and just helping people build more passive income and continue to build more generational wealth. So if you're looking to be a real real estate investor and take action, then you are in the right place. Make sure that you drop a video, introduce yourself and what your goals are for real estate the rest of this year, and what you need help with, and then let somebody in the community pour into you and kind of help you get along on your way with your real estate investing journey. So look forward to seeing you at the next event, whether it's online or in person.